Hello everyone, hope you all are well. So in today's video I will show you how to collect for keys every day by playing the game at Hamster Playground. I will also update that, if you don't play these games, will you get payment from airdrop? So let me show you how to collect the keys. Well, let's say one thing at the beginning. The redeem codes of these games of Hamster are different for each one. So, no one should copy anyone's code. Of course, you have to collect the code by playing the game yourself. So, to play the game, you click on this key option above or on the playground option below. Now click here. Here you can collect 4 keys per day. Click on the play option. Now you will be taken to Play Store app. Download Riding Extreme 3D game after coming to Play Store. When the download is finished, click on Play option. Tap on Continue option. Well, let me tell you some things here. That is, follow this track option in the game. Completing a track, you will get a redeem code. And to complete a track, you have to play the game 6 to 8 times. To play the game, you only need to scroll left and right with your finger. Even if you don't have first position in the game, you just have to play the game till the end. I show you how to play the game. You can move the bicycle by tapping left and right with one finger. After the game is over, click on the No Thanks option. Here you can upgrade by matching the level of bicycle. In this way you will see red dot in this event option after playing the game 6 to 8 times. Now click on this event option and copy the redeem code. Then minimize the game and come to HamsterBot. After coming, paste the code here. Then click on Redeem option and you will get a key. In this way, play 6 to 8 more games and collect a total of 4 keys one by one. Finally told you, if you don't play the game, will you get airdrop? The answer is yes, you will get, because Hamster Kombat clears the issue with this post on their announcement channel. See here, no section of the game is mandatory to play. That is, it is not necessary to work on any section, for example, Playground, Hamster Combo, Cipher, etc. Here it is also said all players will receive the tokens. Tokens will be given more or less based on your activity only. And you must connect on wallet. No one will get airdrop token if wallet connect is not done. So that's it for today's video. Hope you have understood all the points of the video. If you like the video, subscribe the channel with a like. And join our Telegram channel to get updates of all verified airdrops. Link is given in description and the first comment. See you in the next video. Until then everyone, stay healthy, stay safe. Thanks everyone.